Hey, how's it going? And today I just wanted to update this video called Spawning Item when player presses a button. And if you were to copy this code as is, it's not going to work as expected. And so I was struggling with this a little bit and I got it working. And so I'm going to show you my solution to this. If we just come in here to the island template, I've got an item spawner and I have a button device. And I've got a verse device. And on the item spawner, you just want to set it so that it doesn't spawn the item. What does this one here say? On timer or respawn item on timer. I turn those off. And we're just going to have it spawn one item. The rest of this is in the code. And then, of course, the verse device is paired with the button and the new spawner. So let's take a look at the code. There's not that much I had to change. But here we've got our device. I just call it device. And then we have our button and our item spawner. And then we have a variable that is set to an array of cancellables. Down here I changed the button's subscription to a variable. And then down here is where we got into trouble. So here what I did was I did an insert. And if you click here on, if I hold down here and I click on insert, it has all these things that you can do. And so what I did was I did an insert from the insertion point of 0 and basically initialized the array here. And then I called it new array. And then this is one thing I've learned in a previous tutorial I did on replacing a item in an array. We basically have to reset the array, otherwise this change up here doesn't take effect. So we have to reset the array here. This is kind of important here. Like if you don't put in this line of code and then you run this, you'll see that it doesn't take. So we just have to put it in here and then put it in this reinitialize our subscription up here. And that seems to solve the problem. And then come down here and we just do access that index item in the array. And then I just called it found element, and then we cancel it. That takes care of everything. So if we come into Unreal Editor and I go verse, build verse code, in game, and we'll push those changes, and it should work as expected, where I'm just going to get one item granted. So start the game. I come over here, I click interact, and see how it said canceled up there. I don't know if you saw that, but there's no more items for me. I just get the one item. So I can do that again. Just keep an eye in the upper left corner. You'll see that the array initializes correctly this way. See, subscribed, length of array is 1. It's only on there for a second. Then if I come over here and press the button, it will cancel out correctly. And that's it. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.